Okay, so we're here today to service this ride-on mower. Customers complained of when pulling away, it splutters and jumps a little bit. First thing we do is check the oil level, and that is slightly over by probably 4 or 5 times the amount. So we'll get the oil out, check the air filter, check the spark plug, probably replace the fuel, and give it a whirl, see how she goes. Okay, so just draining the engine oil here. Doesn't look like it's been replaced for quite some time. And we just undo this, which will probably speed it up a bit. There we go. Okay, and this is the air filter. Every day. Yeah. Good job of replacing that one. So, we're going to just blow this one out. There we go. So, done the oil, done the spark plug, new air filter, tried to start it, not really too happy, so it goes to start when you give it a bit of fuel, but not on its own. So we now whip the carburettor off. I will show you what the insides look like in just a moment. So we've got the carburettor apart here. It's your float, controls the fuel flow into the fuel bolt. Anyway, more to the point, inside of this little hole here is where these two live. So you've got that one on the right that goes up inside there first, and as you can see, you've got all these little holes which mix air and fuel before it gets sucked into the intake and into the engine. You've then also got this little jet here, which is obviously the one that screws in, and you just need to make sure that that little tiny hole is clear. So, all of these holes have now been cleaned. A little wire brush. So she's good to go. We'll get it back together. And there we go. All done. Running lovely.